Good morning. Duncan's been at work for a really long time. It's actually only 8:30, but he has really actually been at work for a while. Today is back to almost a normal week as far as work goes. But because the dogs got up so early with Duncan, they've been super cuddly this morning. Like, I've left the room 3 times and Gadget has not moved. I'll put her back in. Hopefully I remember she's there. And there's Gizmo.
Alright guys, we made some mistakes in life. It's very busy.
Which we knew. It's just hard when it's actually reality. But the only thing we came for today was to go look at the Christmas decorations in Dinoland.
So, you know, it'll be alright.
But we wanted to go to Red Robin because we got gift cards for Christmas, and we were on one of the roads and it was not pleasant. So we turned around and we're like, we'll just suffer and go eat. Not that it's suffering.
Oh god, nobody knows where they parked. Nobody knows where they parked.
It hasn't stopped since we got out of the car.
Every row has a car. Like that guy. Let's get inside.
If there was like a version of hell,
this is my version of hell.
Yes.
It's just car alarms going off, panic alarms from people who can't find their car. Just nonstop.
I feel bad. Do you think if you were parking, you'd just tune it out?
Yeah, they had to. Those customers didn't even jump.
Yeah.
We were getting parked, and the guy behind, like in the row behind us, hit their panic alarm, and the 2 customers didn't even react to it. They just kept waving people into other spots. Oh, let's get inside and get out of this mess into a different mess. So what you're saying is you're excited.
It's so cute.
But I just ate, Katie. Seasonal.
So we think this might be our last ride on it. Otherwise, we wouldn't have rode it. It's the shortest line in the park right now, for an actual ride.
survived.
I probably shouldn't have picked today after I did my first run of the training session to do that ride. I already had like a side ache.
We had 2 children on the other side of the car from us, so we spun hard.
Yeah, we did.
They kept braking us because we were going so fast. Oh, I know why we don't do that ride every time now.
I need to stretch.
Now what?
I need to stretch.
Okay.
Here's how this happened. We have 20 minutes still until our fast pass, and I wanted a cookie sandwich, but I can't eat one by myself, so I asked Duncan if he wanted one, and he said no. And then I was like, well, if you don't get one, I'm gonna get a hot fudge sundae. And he's like, get 2 or I'm gonna be jealous. I'm gonna be That's what happened. Just like that, actually. The end.
No shame. Secret pathway, maybe? Unexplored pathway for us.
This used to be the queue. Just kidding. Wouldn't that be crazy? What if it was? Oh, this is the Cretaceous Trail, right?
Cretaceous Trail?
Cretaceous, what I say?
Cretaceous?
Oh.
You said words that didn't exist.
For real.
Dinosaur!
Oh, wilderness.
Dinosaur! Oh, that one's terrifying that way.
Pretty scary.
Wilderness explorers come back here. Oh, this used to be the Wilderness Explorer stand that was where Scrooge McDuck is now. I think you dig for a dinosaur something in there. Ooh, we're spinning. Sorry about that. That was dizzifying. Now for the fast pass that Katie's been waiting for. Her 3rd favorite ride.
What's my first?
Huh?
What's my first?
I don't know, but I don't feel like this is your first. I feel like this is like number 3. Dinosaur.
You gonna use it?
No, it's fine. Never mind fast pass, just get on the ride. It's like when Katie drives.
So alive.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Identify!
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go!
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
You got it! Get them out now! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would.
So, first of all, my earring keeps getting stuck in my brain. The first ride on Dinosaur after I've been to Disneyland is always me.
Comparing it to Indiana
You
Jones?
can't not. It's like
Like, where am I?
I ride Indy so many times at Disneyland that
Memorized.
I can't like not I mean, I always knew it, but like this year, obviously, we've gone so many times, but that's the thing. But also, had I not had a seatbelt on that ride, I would have definitely not been in the Jeep anymore. I was getting bounced around like crazy.
That's a bumpy ride.
It's time to go to our car.
Hopefully we can find it.
Yeah, we're basing it on a security tower that might not be still raised.
But it'll still be there.
Yeah.
It will still be there. You tried to base it on cones that I know for a fact will not be there.
We don't know that.
I know for a fact those cones will not be there. They will be in a different row. But let's go to our car. The security tower is still standing. Now we know where we parked. Hooray! It's almost 2020.
Tomorrow. Well,
Yeah, tomorrow.
no, it's only 11:30.
Tomorrow in 30 minutes.
Yeah,
But right now I'm about to fall asleep for real.
and Gadget's already asleep.
We'll see you at Epcot tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Thanks for coming to the show! Ask for what? What did he say? Ask